out there!
Prepare for battle.
Breathe? Okay, okay.
This one is in the bag.
What if they get me?
30 seconds to battle.
Yes?
The battle begins!
There are trees everywhere. Yeah. Courage. Are you sure about this? Yeah. Do I have to? Cut! Why me? Yes. If you say so. You're in the trees, aren't you? I only need a clipping. I don't know. I'll cut them all down. Attack! Yeah, I'm gonna cut you. Ah, chop! Attack! Stay back! Running! What was that sound? That one looks angry! Running! Do I have to?
Mine.
Yeah, I'll get you! Why me? Breathe? Yeah. I don't know. Oh.
Not that way.
Yes. I'm warning you. Yeah.
Double damage.
What if they get me? Yeah, if you say so. Yes. You're with the trees, aren't you? Okay. Courage. sure about this? Ow! What was that sound? Breathe?
Running!
They're gonna get me. What if they get me? Yoink! I don't know. Courage. Are you sure about this? Yeah, yeah. What was that sound? No forest is safe from me! Yeah, if you say so. Oh... Yes. Yes! Cut! That one looks angry! Why me? Okay. Do I have to? Yeah. I don't know. Okay. Courage. Oh. Yes. Attack! Yeah, if you say so.
First blood!
What was that sound?
And plenty for both of us.
Axe is impressed.
Breathe? Why me? Are you sure about this? Yeah. Stay back! Do I have to? That one looks angry! What if they get me? Yeah.
Running!
Yes. Why me?
Down you go.
Yes. What if they get me? Okay.
Your bottom tower is under attack!
That one looks angry! Oh. Courage. Are you sure about this? Yes.
Your middle tower is under attack!
Yeah. Do I have to? I'm warning you. Breathe. Yeah. Ha! Yeah, I'll get ya! Yeah, I'm gonna cut ya! Attack!
Running!
Another attack! Yeah, if you say so. I don't know. Ah! Yeah, if you say so. Yeah.
Running!
That one looks angry! What if they get me? Yes. Are you sure about this? Need it clipped to me? Courage.
Dire structures can take all the hurt Radiant cares to heap upon it!
Yeah. Breathe?
Axe is pleased!
I don't know. Yes? Okay. Oh.
Your top tower is under attack! Radiant structures are fortified!
Oh.
Killing spree! Axe is pleased!
Yes. Are you sure about this? Ah! Chop! Courage. Is mine. Looking sharp. Crazy sharp. Yes? What's that sound? Yeah. I'm under attack! Yeah, if you say so. I don't know.
Running!
That one looks angry! Attack! Cut! What if they get me? Oh. Okay. Okay. Yes. Spin, blade, spin!
Dominating!
Clear to me now.
I gave your death some thought, believe me.
It is dangerous out there. That one looks angry. Breathe. Yep, that'll work. Yeah. I'm warning you. Why me?
Killing spree!
What was that sound?
Dominating! Double kill!
Stay back.
Running!
Yes. I only needed clipping. Denied.
The enemy has a bone to pick with your middle tower. Dire structures are fortified. Super fortified.
What happened?
Like you can't even imagine. The enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
Are you sure about this? Okay, I'm under attack. Courage. What if they get me?
Trash.
This is not happening!
My just reward.
Your top tower is being hacked to pieces. Radiant's towers are fortified, just like Axe.
You're with the trees, aren't you?
Killing spree! Dominating! Double kill!
Stand against us.
Mega kill! Triple kill! Your top tower is under attack!
Denied.
Yeah, if you say so.
I soared so briefly.
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. What was that sound? Attack! I only needed clipping. Yes. That one looks angry. Yes.
Dire structures are fortified.
You're with the trees, aren't you?
Radiant structures are fortified with 12 important vitamins. Axe is glad that your bottom tower is not Axe's problem.
If you say so.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Unstoppable!
Courage.
Your bottom tower has fallen. Axe wishes it was you instead.
Vanguard! I don't know. Cut! What if they get me? Okay. Do I have to?
Your top tower is being hacked to pieces!
Oh. I'll cut everyone! Away! Yeah. Good play. What happened?
Wicked sick!
Outnumbered you. We outnumber them all.
Monster kill! Double kill!
Rest now.
I tell you, you wouldn't believe where I've been, you know. No one ever does.
Your middle tower is under attack! Godlike! Triple kill! Axe-like! Ultra kill! Your middle tower is under attack! Your middle tower is under attack! Puny Radiant hides behind their fortifications!
Hey, don't tell me to calm down. I am calm. Yeah, if you say so. Oh. Ah! Chop! Yeah, I'm gonna cut you! I'm warning you. What if they get me? Breathe? Yes. Attack! That's all I need. I'm under attack! Are you sure about this? What is that sound?
Running!
Regeneration!
Courage.
The enemy's top tower has fallen!
Yeah, boy. Do I have to? Oh! Aha! I don't know.
The enemy has a bone to pick with your middle tower!
Yeah.
Your middle tower is under attack!
Yeah. That one looks angry! Okay, okay. They won't know what got them.
Axe is glad that your bottom tower is not Axe's problem.
Are you sure about this? Yeah, boy. I don't know. What?
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Hey! Yes. Yeah, if you say so.
Holy shit!
Yes, this one.
Yeah. Courage. What was that sound? That one looks angry! Yeah. Why me? Do I have to?
Axe does not pick sides.
But your enemy sucks.
Running!
Yes. What if they get me? Okay. Yeah, gold!
Roshan and the Dyer never did get along.
I don't know. Are you sure about this? Do I have to? Ow! Okay. I'm warning you. That's all I need. Attack! It's not time yet. Never look that way! Yeah. What if they get me?
Don't think you're done with me.
Yes.
Like Axe, the Dyer structures cannot be hurt. Double kill!
Invisibility.
Great to be back! Well, that's what I tell people anyway. Why me?
The enemy has a bone to pick with your middle tower. Radiant structures are fortified with 12 important vitamins and minerals.
Oh.
Your bottom tower has fallen!
I don't believe this.
Yeah, you say so. Breathe? Yeah.
What?
Breathe? What if they get me?
Mine.
Do I have to? Yes. Yeah, if you say so. That one looks angry! Yes. Why me? Okay.
Running!
I don't know. Oh. Are you sure about this? Courage. Ooh.
On to the next.
What was that sound? That one looks angry!
Killing spree!
Death.
Your bottom tower is under attack!
Revving up! Okay. Are you sure about this? Oh. Why me?
Come down to limbo.
Poison closes.
Yes. Sawblade's still not sharp enough. Breathe. Yes.
Running!
Your top tower is under attack!
Do I have to? I don't know. What was that sound?
Dominating!
Woo! Hey, I told you! Yeah, if you say so. Ah! What if... Hey! Yes?
Radiant hides behind their fortifications.
Are you sure about this?
Your top tower is under attack. Much like Axe's opinion of you, your top tower has fallen. Mega kill!
Why me? That is one less voice in my head. Yeah, if you say so. What was that sound? That one looks angry! Courage. Yeah.
Running!
Invisibility!
Yeah.
Running!
What if they get me? Why me?
I use my power.
Courage.
Take that as you will.
Yeah, if you say so. Yeah.
Generation!
Breathe.
That one looks angry!
Killing spree!
I realize that something good may
Yeah.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Are you sure about this?
Double kill!
carry me on.
Spin, Blade, spin! Oh. I don't know. What was that sound? Breathe?
Mine! Running!
Your middle tower is under attack! Your middle tower has fallen!
Why me? I don't know. What if they get me? Yeah, I'm gonna cut you! Okay, Go! Yeah, I'll get you! That one looks angry! Yes. Yes. Yeah. If you say so. Stay back. What was that sound?
Your bottom tower is under attack!
Needing clipping.
Killing spree! enemy's top tower has capitulated to superior force! The enemy's top barracks have fallen!
My soul is close.
Haste!
Oh no, back here again. Courage. Tis mine. Yeah. Do I have to? Oh,
Dominating!
what if they get me? Yes, do me. I don't know. Flipped. You're with the trees, aren't you? Yeah.
The Dire had cut Roshan down into little pieces!
Courage. Oh. Do I have to? Gold! Yeah, if you say so. Stay back! Yes? Why me? That one looks angry! Double damage!
You broke the enemy's bottom tower! Axe approves!
What was that sound? Breathe? Okay.
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen! Oh, good day, sir, indeed! Killing spree!
What was that sound? Do I have to? Yes. Tread! I'm warning you. What if they get me? Ah! Chop chop! Why me? Oh. Yeah. Stay away from me! I only needed clippings.
The enemy's top barracks have been abolished! Dominating!
If you say so.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut you!
Double kill! Wicked sick! Triple kill! Monster kill! Ultra kill! Godlike! Rampage!
Your blood is mine.
Your bottom tower is under attack! Radiant's towers are fortified, just like Axe! Axe is glad that your bottom tower is not Axe's problem! Axe is glad that your bottom tower is not Axe's problem!
Trees? Why did it have to be trees?
Your bottom tower is under attack!
Okay, okay. Attack! I don't know. You're with the trees, aren't you? Breathe? Are you sure about this? Yeah. Stay back. Yes.
Running!
Axe life!
Are you sure about this? Courage. What if they get me? Yes? I don't know. Okay, go! Do I have to? What was that sound? Attack! Go! Ah! Chop chop! Yeah. Clipping.
Dire structures are fortified. Super fortified. Like you can't even imagine.
Breathe.
The enemy's middle tower has surrendered to gravity. The enemy has had their bottom barracks handed to them! The enemy's bottom barracks have fallen! More like that, please!
Damn it.
Big twins.
Double kill!
My pound of flesh.
Killing spree!
I am completely sane. Okay. Yes. Clip. Breathe. Oh. Yeah, I'll get ya. You're with the trees, aren't you? Yeah. Whoa. Looking sharp. Crazy sharp. Why me?
Blood calls for blood.
Do me? I don't know. Yeah, if you say so. What was that sound? To me. Are you sure about this?
Running!
Yes.
Roshan has fallen to the Radiant!
Tis mine.
I don't know. That one looks angry!
Yes? Why me? Yes. Yeah. Courage. What was that sound? Are you sure about
Ghastly
this?
Eerie will miss me.
Yeah, if you say so. I'll cut everyone! Breathe? No forest is safe from me!
Running!
Okay. Oh.
The enemy's middle barracks have fought. You now have mega creeps.
Yeah. Do I have to? I'm not ready. Why me? Are you sure
Lead
about
your
this?
life.
Killing spree! Double kill!
Spills.
Your middle tower is under attack!
My poison works its magic.
Like Axe, the dire structures cannot be hurt!
It's great to be back! Well, that's what I tell people anyway. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Breathe. Yes.
Running!
Mega kill! The enemy's middle tower has fallen! The enemy's middle tower has fallen!
Attack!
To the Radiant, the spoils! Say, does Axe get a cut?